Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Get ready, because DJI might be on the verge of redefining portable camera technology with the highly anticipated Osmo Pocket 4. The leaks and rumors surrounding this device have generated considerable buzz, and if even a fraction of the speculation turns out to be true, the Pocket 4 could be a game-changer for vloggers, content creators, and anyone looking to elevate their mobile video production. So, what makes this upcoming release so exciting? Let's take a deep dive into the details. Design and ergonomics. A bigger and better display. One of the most talked about aspects of the Osmo Pocket 4 is its expected design changes. Reports suggest that the camera will be slightly larger than its predecessor, weighing in at approximately 190 grams. Despite the slight increase in size, DJI is expected to maintain the compact, pocket-friendly appeal that users love. But why the size boost? It appears that DJI is making room for some impressive upgrades. One of the most notable changes is the upgraded rotating 2.5-inch touchscreen, a significant improvement over the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. This enhanced screen will reportedly feature a 480 by 800 resolution with a brightness of up to 800 nits, making it much easier to see under bright sunlight. A larger display means better framing for your shots, easier menu navigation for quick adjustments, an improved user experience that both casual users and professionals will appreciate. Ergonomically, the Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a more comfortable grip with improved button placement, reducing strain during extended shooting sessions. If you've ever held a camera for long periods, you'll understand how valuable this change could be. A major camera upgrade. 1-inch sensor and superior low-light performance. Under the hood, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to bring some significant upgrades in image quality and video performance. The device is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, a considerable leap from previous models. Why does this matter? A larger sensor means better image sharpness, improved low-light performance, allowing for clear, detailed shots even in dim environments. Enhanced dynamic range, making colors pop and details stand out. For video, leaks suggest an ISO range of 50 to 6400, while still photography may extend up to 16,000 ISO, making it a versatile tool for various lighting conditions. Another exciting addition could be support for 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. These features will allow content creators to have greater flexibility during post-production, ensuring richer colors and finer details in their final output. Revolutionary 4K slow motion and advanced processing power. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 is its potential to record 4K video at an astounding 240 frames per second. This is double the slow motion capability of the Pocket 3, opening up new creative possibilities. Imagine capturing action-packed moments with incredible detail, nature shots with silky smooth motion, cinematic sequences that elevate your content to the next level. Beyond resolution and frame rates, the new sensor is expected to contribute to sharper images, better low-light performance, and improved dynamic range. Combined with a more powerful processor, the Pocket 4 could handle larger data rates, enhanced computational photography, and even real-time HDR previews, making editing faster and smoother, an essential factor for creators who need to deliver high-quality videos quickly. Next-level autofocus, PDAF and eye tracking. Autofocus has historically been a hit-or-miss aspect of the Pocket series, with the Pocket 3 facing occasional issues with focus hunting. DJI seems to be addressing this with phase detection autofocus and eye-tracking autofocus in the Pocket 4. If true, this would mean smoother, more reliable focusing, better tracking of fast-moving subjects, enhanced vlogging experience. Your face stays in focus without the camera struggling to keep up. For action shooters and vloggers alike, this enhancement could be a game-changer. Additionally, rumors suggest that Active Track 7.0 will be included, combining PDAF and eye tracking for precise subject tracking, ensuring smooth, well-focused footage even when your subject is constantly moving. Extended battery life and fast charging. Battery life can make or break a portable camera, and DJI appears to be making major strides in this area. Reports indicate that the Pocket 4 will come with a more efficient power management system, extending recording times without sacrificing performance. Another rumored upgrade is fast charging, with some sources suggesting that the Pocket 4 could reach a full charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger, a significant improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time. While the exact battery capacity remains unknown, expectations are high that it will surpass the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh battery, making longer shooting sessions possible without frequent recharges. Additionally, better heat management is rumored, reducing the risk of overheating during extended use. Enhanced stabilization. Mechanical plus advanced EIS. Stabilization has always been a strong point for DJI, and the Pocket 4 is expected to take it even further. While the Pocket series has relied on mechanical stabilization, the new model might integrate advanced electronic stabilization algorithms for even smoother footage. For creators capturing fast-moving scenes, dynamic shots, handheld vlogs, this improvement could make all the difference. Whether you're filming a high-speed chase, an energetic sports event, or a simple handheld vlog, expect more stability and fewer shaky clips. Pricing and release date. What to expect? All these upgrades naturally come at a cost. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, rumors suggest that standard Pocket 4 could be priced around $699. Creator Combo version could cost around $799. This is a noticeable increase from the Pocket 3, but given the significant improvements, many creators may find it a worthwhile investment. As for the release date, sources indicate a potential launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3-year product cycle. If these leaks hold, the wait may be long, but certainly worth it. Final thoughts. Is the Pocket 4 the future of portable cameras? Based on everything we've heard, the DJI Pocket 4 has the potential to be a game-changing device for content creators. The larger screen and improved ergonomics might seem like minor tweaks, but they contribute to a much better user experience. The 1-inch sensor could significantly enhance low-light performance and image quality, making this an ideal camera for vloggers, filmmakers, and travel enthusiasts. The addition of 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, 4K 240 frames per second slow motion, advanced stabilization and autofocus, all make the Pocket 4 a compelling choice for anyone serious about mobile filmmaking. So, what are your thoughts on the rumored features? Are you excited about the potential of the DJI Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates.